I'm News 3's John Karcher. When I look at these pictures, each with its own special story, I feel like I'm looking through a photo album of my own kids. And in a way, these are my kids. Each has appeared on Wednesday's Child with me in an effort to find them a big brother or big sister. We take the time because at TV3 we believe in kids and their futures. And we believe in big brothers and sisters. Please watch for my kids on Live at 5 and News 3 at 10. Then call Big Brothers and Sisters and make a difference in a child's life.
I'm Jamie Hutton. You may have seen me on CBS when Greg Norman won the Heritage Classic and gave me his trophy. I'm convinced that one moment put me on the path to recovery from leukemia. In June, it will be 2 years since my successful bone marrow transplant. In celebration, I want to put hope in people's lives like Greg Norman did in mine. June 1st, I'll be playing golf all day at Black Hawk Country Club to raise money for cancer research. Please help against the fight against childhood cancer.
Turn letters into cash on the Money Game, Saturday at 6:30.
Kenny wasn't like the other kids.
Remote control.
TV mattered, nothing else did.
Remote control.
Girl said yes, but he said
No. Remote control.
Now he's got his own game show.
Remote control.
And now it's his basement, his room, his game show, the Quizmaster 72, Whooping Call playing. Game over.
Hey, you. Thanks. Colin, Susan, Steve. And of course, it is my pleasure to introduce to you my foster family from Thailand, Korea, and Romania, the kids that I've adopted with my spare money. Tell them my foster family.
No getting to be complete louse.
Yes, sir. They all live in my studio apartment here in Manhattan. And let's meet our contestants. Shall we say hello to Tony right here? Hey, get this. Tony is from Jersey. He's a car part salesman. Yeah, figure that one out. In the middle, say hello to Julie. Julie does a lube job at the local oil change center. And on the end, say hello to Devlin. Devlin is a pool hustler from Albany. All right, listen carefully. In my hand, I have one question written on a card, 3x5, right here in my hand. I'm going to read it right now. 5 points. Control the game. Listen carefully. On the Andy Griffith Show, Goober and Gomer both had the same last name. What was it? Pyle. Pyle, right. Devlin has 5 points. He will be in control. We'll be back to play remote control. Don't you go anywhere. Ready to start?
How Stephanie Becker eats a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Oh, I like to eat one of my Reese's right away and save the other one for later. It's later.
There's no wrong way to eat a Reese's.
Today's lesson, the practical application of all that stuff you've learned in math class. Now let's start out with everybody's favorite isosceles triangle, Doritos tortilla chips. Add X amount of great nacho cheese flavor for a taste and crunch greater than the sum of its parts. I see you're confused. Follow me on this. Farmer Brown gives a huge party, okay? There are 350 bags of Doritos. There are 250 people coming. What are his chances of being cool? Excellent. Crunch all you want. We'll make more.
How Stephanie Becker eats a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Oh, I like to eat one of my Reese's right away and save the other one for later. It's later.
There's no wrong way to eat a Reese's.
When severe weather arrives, our News 3 weather team never leaves. Round the clock, Janet Pyatt, Ed Addison, and Jan Masters will stay here to bring you the vital weather information you need to keep you and your family safe 24 hours a day. News 3, your foul weather friends. A
devastating disease threatens the alien race on the next war of the worlds.
We have to stop the spread of this infection.
Their only hope is to find a rare experimental drug.
Something's going down. We're on our way.
Now, the Blackwood team must fight to keep the drug out of their enemies' hands, while the aliens are fighting for their lives.
The cell will be found, and we will survive.
The battle for the cure on the next War of the Worlds.
Saturday night at 11:30.
All right. Let's see what happens, shall we? Now we play it. The Big Zenith has 9 channels. Devlin has control. Go ahead, Dev. Ken, I think I'm going to take channel 9. Are you all right? Nepotism Network, because in Hollywood it's not what you know, it's who you know. Whoa. Here we go. He's crazy, he's crazy. That just came off the top of my head. Here we go, 5 points. Barry Williams was the gifted lad who played Greg Brady. How is he related to Cindy Williams of Laverne and Shirley fame? That's Devlin.
Son.
You can tell by that sound, Devlin, you're wrong. Tony.
Cousin.
No, Tony.
He's
Julie.
not.
He's not, right, Julie? He's not.
All right. Ken, I'd like channel number 5, please.
Julie, do you really change oil at a lube center?
I certainly lube for a living, Ken.
You lube for a living. Perfect timing. It's a visit from the Fairy Pixie. Mother Goose fired him. We've hired him. He's our own injury-prone Fairy Pixie. You all right?
I had a massive coronary while I was waiting to come on.
You know you got to do the thing to get paid.
I'm okay, Ken.
Okay, good.
I'll make my heart pound by will. I am the Fairy Pixie. Hark, come listen to my tale. 3 little kittens lost their mittens. Maybe somebody robbed them. But an alien sinner ate those kittens for dinner, and then he burped, hey, no problem.
What show is he talking about? That's Tony.
That's out, Ken.
That's 10 points, Tony. Very good, Tony.
Ken, we're going to stick with channel 5.
Okay, Tony, you're the boss.
You know it.
I am the Fairy Pixie. Hark, come listen to my tale. Mary had a little lamb, but then a little later, Lou fried it up on Sue Ann's stove and ate it with potatoes.
What show is he talking about? Julie?
Dallas?
No. That's Devlin.
Mary Tyler Moore.
Yeah, 15 points. Thanks, Pix. 20 points, 10 and 5. Very close game. Go ahead, Devlin.
Ken, I think I'll choose channel 2.
Okay, channel 2. Split decision. True love joined them together to raw, unadulterated hatred tore them apart. 5 points. What Monty Pythoner has been divorced twice but used what he learned to write books entitled Families and How to Survive Them? That's
John Cleese.
Very good. 5 points. Go to series and books on family life. Boy, I'll tell you, there's so much joy in this room. Go ahead, Tony. I tell you, it's like the taping of the We Are the World video. Okay, go ahead, Tony.
Let's jump to channel 3.
Channel 3, 30-something. Here we go, 5 points. On 30-something, what unethical, sleazy business do those capitalist geeks Michael and Elliot work in? That's Julie.
Advertising?
Yes, 5 points, Julie. Excuse me, if you're familiar with the show, that recognizable voice is that of none other than my mother. That's my mom.
Yeah,
Oh,
Mom.
yes. Oh, yes, Mom, he said mockingly.
Can you have Quinn belt out some Led Zeppelin for me?
It's time to sing along with Colin. 10 points. Finish this Zeppelin tune.
Been a long time since I rock and roll. Been a long time since I did a show. Let me get back, let me get back, let me get back, back to the book. Been a long time, been a long time, been a long.
Devlin.
Lonely, 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 lonely time.
Yeah, 10 points. Yeah. Okay, try this one on. 15 points. Think of Susanna Hoffs and sing the next line to this
promo.
to this Bangles song.
1, 2, 3, 4. Close your eyes. Give me your hand, darling. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming?
Julie.
Or is this love an eternal flame?
No, after further review, no, the play is whistle dead. Tony.
Or is this feeling just an eternal flame?
Oh, Devlin.
Okay, what the heck? Been a long time since the rock and roll.
Is this burning an eternal flame is what we didn't get, but very close first round. Devlin has 30 points, Tony has 15, and Julie has 10. It's time to take a little snack break while you guys pop away on some cereal and milk. We'll be back to play remote control, and the survivor has a shot at this stuff.
Zenith's multi-brand remote operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters, and you can record your favorite programs on high-quality videotape from Zenith.
It's a collection of A&M CDs with the latest hits from such artists as Squeeze and Janet Jackson.
Ultra Wheels presents the Ultralight 2000 inline skates, lightweight nylon frame, and high-speed wheels and bearings from Ultra Wheels.
Unitron's 120 power telescope with star diagonal astro-terrestrial floor tripod allows you to explore heaven and earth.
Casio's TV 3100, a handheld color TV with 3.3-inch screen, rod antenna, and built-in speaker. It's battery-operated, too. With this Casio, you can have entertainment 24 hours a day.
Play remote control continues.
Double, double your refreshment. Double, double your enjoyment. Oh, no, single gum, double freshens your mouth like double mint gum. Double, double your refreshment. Double, double your delightment. Oh, no, single gum, double freshens your mouth like double fresh, double good. Come on and double it, double mint gum.
There's no single gum like it. Enough of the way it goes down easy.
Enough of the way it puts a smile on your face.
Enough of the way it quenches a big thirst.
Enough of the way it puts a show on you.
Just for the reason.
Just one reason.
Just for the taste of it. Diet Coke.
Just one reason.
Just for the taste.
We'll be back after this.
It's one-on-one, you against time. If only there was a helping hand, someone to lean on to understand.
Hey, I think I can help you with that move.
Are you?
Yeah. You know, if you start with the left, spin back with the right, it'd be a lot smoother. You want me to show you how?
Yes.
Take the time to care.
I'll be back.
For kids' sake.
All right, the other way. All right. All free.
Hey, Mr. Irving.
Take the time.
Thanks.
My pleasure.
You're late, Victoria. Where have you been?
Well, I was just playing a little one-on-one with Dr. J.
Give me a break. Yeah, so was I.
During both world wars, volunteer ambulance drivers planted the seeds of a truly noble endeavor. Their vision of world peace led to one of the most extraordinary humanitarian movements of the century, AFS Student Exchange. Your family can bring the world to life for an AFS student from one of 50 nations. Share your world. Host an AFS exchange student. Call 1-800-AFS-INFO.
Welcome back to the only game show that lets me sit here like a degenerate and get paid remote control.
Thank you, Mr. Quinn. Fairly close game. We've got underway. Devlin has 30 points. Julie, 10. In second place, Tony, 15. Easy, Julie.
Sorry.
Move out, babe. Devlin, you have the lead and control.
All right, kid. I'd like number 7.
Channel 7. Yes, sir. It's time for a visit from one of the giants in the talk show industry, Mighty Joe Franklin.
Thank you, Kenneth. Now listen, all you puny little runts, my very special Joe Franklin guest is a lithe, blonde bombshell, accomplished singer, accomplished actress, star of 9.5 Weeks, portrayed Vicky Vale in Batman, has been romantically linked lately with Prince. Who is my guest? Tell me now, or shall I crush you? Who is my guest?
Who is his guest? Julie.
Kim Basinger.
Yes, 20 points. Okay, very good, Julie. That ties you for the lead. 30 points, you have control. What do you want to do?
All right, thank you, Ken. I'd like to go to channel number 3,
Welcome.
please.
Whoa. Channel number 3. Yes, sir. 8 out of 10 doctors agree. There's nothing that couldn't be fixed with just a little more new kids on the block, huh? Oh, come on. You just wait till 2050 when the new kids do their Steel Wheels tour, you know? That'll be something to see. Here we go, 10 points. If those soldiers of love, the new kids, join the revolutionary Sandinistas, what tropical country would they call home? That's Devlin.
Puerto Rico.
Devlin, keeping up on current events. Julie.
Nicaragua?
Yes. Of course, the Sandinistas, big gamblers. That's where they live in San Juan. Okay, Julie, you have the lead. Go ahead.
Okay, despite their sexiness, I'd like to switch to channel number 4, please.
Channel number 4. It's the Wheel of Torture, Julie. Yes, sir. Julie, you have a choice, seeing that this is America. You can give us 10 points and walk away from this whole mess, or submit yourself to Mr. Quinn's torture du jour. Julie, what's it going to be? You going to take the torture or give us 10 points?
Colin's giving it. I'm going to take it.
Wow! Spin the wheel. Okay, let's see where it's going to land. Julie, all I can say is have a blood test and have it quickly. Go ahead, you have the lead.
Woo! All right, give me a second. All right, I'd like to go to channel number 9, please.
I can't believe she can still hear. Channel 9. Louise, 10 points. In what movie did Madonna blow dry the hair in her armpits? That's Devlin.
Despacito Susan.
Yes, snuck in, 10 points. You hear that noise?
Oh, no!
Yes, sir. Now I read this card. It's time to play this, that, or the other thing. This is rapid-fire questions. 10 points each. Whoa. Here we go. Time to play Mr. T, Mr. Ed, or Mr. Belvedere. I'll spit out a clue. You simply tell me which one of the guys it fits best. Remember, it's Mr. T, Mr. Ed, or Mr. Belvedere. Here we go. Number 1, starred in the A-Team. Julie.
Mr. T.
Yes. Weighed 11,000 pounds.
Mr.
Tony.
Belvedere.
No. Julie.
Mr. Ed.
Yes. Really obese.
Mr. Belvedere.
Yes. Eats like a horse.
Mr. Ed.
Yes. Has cloven hooves. Tony.
Mr. Ed.
Yes. And that's it. That's all the time we have.
No!
Tony. Look at this game. Julie has 70 points. Devlin has 60 points. Now it's time for you to wager on one final question of the day. You get to wager somewhere all of your point total. And why are you wagering? Well, we're showing you why.
Magnavox barcode remote control VCR with on-screen display is smart, very smart. Easily programs up to 4 events with a barcode scanner from Magnavox.
Get dialed in on a BCA Rocky 18-speed mountain bike for the excellent outdoor adventure. It's the awesome statement of BCA heritage and performance.
Epiphone Les Paul electric guitar is rock and roll rocking, designed for high-powered performance from Gibson, USA.
Sunfish, the world's most popular sports sailboat. Easy to sail, easy to transport, and fun for the whole family. Discover the thrill of sunfish sailing.
A trip to the Tivoli Inn, Solvang. Beauty and charm of a European bed and breakfast with luxuries of a world-class hotel. Warm and courteous hospitality from Tivoli Inn.
All right. Okay, we have your wagers. Here's your question. Listen up. TV judge Harry Stone presides over the appeal trial of deranged hotelier Leona Helmsley. Harry finds this shapely psycho guilty and sentences her to 600 years hard labor. If Leona is eligible for parole after 60% of her sentence is served, tell me her minimum jail stay and, notice the word, and tell me what sitcom provided the setting for her trial. It's up here if you need to refer to it. While you guys figure it out, we're going to do this. That's all the time we have. Devlin, since you had the lowest point total, we'll start with you. What is your answer, please, Devlin?
60 years in Judge Henry Stone's courtroom.
60 years and Judge... No, that's not the correct answer. How much did you wager, my fine
30
friend?
points.
That leaves you with 30 points. Julie, what was your answer?
I said 60 at 9 cards.
You're wrong. How much did you wager?
I wagered 60.
Which leaves you with 10. The correct answer was 360 years and 9 courts. Devlin, you did it by 20 points. Bye, Julie. Hey, Devlin, congratulations. You're getting to lie down on this thing.
Get ready.
What's your name, dude?
Clint Eastwood.
What kind of stupid name is that?
Get set. It's time to go back.
Ah, damn! Come on, run!
One last time.
Does it hold up? It's a science experiment.
Michael J. Fox. Christopher Lloyd. Back to the Future Part 3.
Where'd you learn to shoot like that? 7-Eleven.
Rated PG. Starts Friday at theaters everywhere.
Double, double your refreshment. Double, double your enjoyment. Oh, no single gum. Double freshens your mouth like double mint gum. Double, double your refreshment. Double, double your delightment. Oh, no single gum. Double freshens your mouth like double fresh, double good. Come on and double it. Double mint gum.
There's no single gum like it.
Pretty pictures are nice, but in order to preserve these scenes for future generations, we must look further. Watch our ongoing Green Reports, where we'll meet tough environmental issues head-on to get you the information and answers you need. Watch for Green Reports on midday, live at 5, and News 3 at both 6 and 10, here on WISC TV3.
Now the fighters are entering the ring.
Oh, they look like they're in great shape, Jim.
And there's the bell.
I'm doing for everything that I can get.
They come out swinging.
You're being a stupid idiot.
Oh, wow.
Did you suggest this idea of wife swapping?
She don't even have a square porch. That's a cheap shot.
I don't know what to say.
Boy, are they having fun.
And he pulled his shorts down.
You never know what you'll see.
This is beautiful.
The People's Court.
Weekdays at 4:30 on TV3.
All right, right, Devlin, here you are. You're strapped onto this big metal thing. Here's the deal. You got 10 TVs, 10 questions. For each question you answer correctly, you win a prize. Now, the more you get right, the greater your chance of winning a grand prize is. When we finish, and I've asked all 10 questions, I'll stop the wheel, and if your head, sing between your shoulders, lands on one of the grand prize screens, you win everything that we've named as well as this.
Introducing the NS50F from Honda, a full-size motorcycle with a 6-speed transmission ready to get you there in style. NS50F from Honda.
All right, Devlin, have a nice trip, buddy.
Thank you, thank you.
Hope you didn't have any lunch.
Oh, well, this does tricks.
Right when you get there. Here we go. Today I'm going to name the supposedly adorable TV spokesman. You tell me the product they pitch. Here we go. Number 1, Tony the Tiger.
Frosted Flakes.
Yes. 2, Snap, Crackle, Pop.
Rice Krispies.
Yes. 3, Mr. Whipple.
Charmin.
Yes. 4, Rosie the Waitress.
Bounty.
Yes. 5, Spuds McKenzie.
Bud Light. Budweiser.
Yes, yes, we'll take it. 6, Toucan Sam.
Fruit Loops.
Yes. 7, Diggum the Frog.
Sugar Smack.
Yes, yes, you snuck it in. Sugar Bear.
Oh.
No, it was the Sugar Crisps. 9, Poppin' Fresh.
Pass.
Pass, that's Pillsbury. 10, Hamburglar.
Pass.
That's McDonald's. We'll stop the wheel and see where your head lands, buddy. Looks good. Oh, Dev, you missed it by, I believe the word is a hair. But you take home CDs, skates, a telescope, a mini TV, a VCR, a bike, as well as a Zenith remote control. Nice game, Devlin. I'd shake your hand, but of course, you're strapped in for your own protection. Oh, so close. All of us here at Remote Control, to all of you, bye-bye. Susan, want to hop up there? Take a little ride around with Devlin?
Yeah.
Make it feel better?
Come right up.
Here, he's got some wounds. Nurse him.
All contestants receive British Knights athletic shoes. For fashion and function, get off on the right foot. Get off in BKs. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Switches, AM, FM radio. Experience Boom Ball audio you can wear anywhere. Featuring a round clear shell, multicolored parts, mosaic designs, and necklace antenna from Switch It Incorporated. Uncle Fester and the Addams Family have returned. The wildest alien shoot-'em-ups in video game history. Fester's Quest with a Nintendo Entertainment System from Sunsoft. Promotional considerations provided by LA Gear. Catch the next great California wave. LA Gear jeanswear, jeans, skirts, overalls, and jackets with embroidered logos and chenille patches. LA Gear jeanswear. It does a lot more than fit. Hey, take control of the situation in Code West boots. Hot styles that really rock. Code West boots. Stand out when you step out. Yeah. Big performance in a small package with Zenith's remote control 9-inch color TV. Perfect for the kitchen or bedroom. This Zenith features an earphone and cable tuning.
I'm News 3's John Karcher. When I look at these pictures, each with its own special story, I feel like I'm looking through a photo album of my own kids. And in a way, these are my kids. Each has appeared on Wednesday's Child with me. in an effort to find them a big brother or big sister. We take the time because at TV3 we believe in kids and their futures, and we believe in big brothers and sisters. Please watch for my kids on Live at 5 and News 3 at 10. Then call Big Brothers and Sisters and make a difference in a child's life.
These rainbows are brought to you by the National Society to Prevent Blindness. Take a good look and think about all the things you lose when you lose your eyesight. This year, 50,000 Americans will lose their vision forever. Help save the rainbows. Give to prevent blindness.
Family Ties, weekdays at 4.
Woo!